That one here is another one here. And this one. Hello everyone, I'm here again for my haul. I'm here again, everyone. So ito I received this from Amazon. This from Amazon, guys. Let's see what is this, because I ordered a couple of things and it's quite big. This one, wait a minute, guys, it's a very nice reader today. The good thing is Amazon is when you order today, you receive tomorrow, the following day, like that kind of things. So anyway, when you down the what's this called place, when you down the volume, thank you, down the volume please, Christoph, down the volume. Now that's it, because we don't want a music here. Okay guys, this one is very surprised. That one, why is so big? Okay, what is this? What is this as well? Hang on, look at this. Why they put here? That's already, two bag here is quite big. Anyway guys, I know this now. There's no pictures. So how much this one? Hang on a minute. Did you remember how much this one? Hang on. I don't want to break the what you call that, the box, because if it's something wrong, so we can return. It's a wrong way, I think. So we can return as well still. Anyway guys, ayan, itong ayan siya. Ito, mayroon siyang guys, na-receive namin to. Ang maganda lang sa I like ni Amazon is we order today, the following day, for example, the following day will receive. So that one is. So for 44 pounds, I bought this one, and I know this one why it is. Look, it's still sealed, guys. Look, it's not open yet, and I don't wanna break the box. Okay, yeah, that's it. And now I'm gonna show you guys. Look, they have a glove in it. Look, that one is this one. There's a color. Can you down the what's it called, place? Volume. And that one. There's a different size. What's it called? The color. That one. This one I think is how many? That one color. How many? Yeah. So this one, that one here is another one here. And this one is, hang on, how many this one? This is a main, guys. This is a main. The main to, this one. So we just put like this. If you want this one, we just put inside, just like that. Okay, so we can change it whatever it is. So I need to study this one, how you do it. Yeah. So anyway, I need to read it later on. I already put it inside. I already put it, and I need to learn how to take it out because I can't take it out now. So I think I need to study this one. I don't want to break it. So yeah, this one, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 are different kind of how to do the collar. Yeah, 6. That one. So and then also, guys, they have a glove. They have a glove, guys. See, they have a glove, guys. And then this one, guys, is a pads. You see that one? It's a pads. You can put it. And this one, I need to look. This one, they have a guide. This one here. Again, we don't need to throw away the guide because we never know if we can. Sometimes we forget how to work it out, so always keep it. I got a drawer for that. You know, always what we bought it, I just keep it because. Okay. I got extra glove. Yeah, so this one, another extra is 2. They give me 2 in it. So it's a very good. See, just like that. So that one, see. So you're not going to burn or whatever it is. So it's very nice. And this one, I think. It's not pads, it's a holder. I think this one, hang on. I need to, yeah. This one, what is this here? Just like that. And yeah, so this, I need to read this one later on. How to use this one because they have a, you know, or is a hand. You can put this one inside. So that's it, guys. Yeah, and all this one. Yeah, I like that one because it's different. See? So that one. There's a guide here how to take it out. Now at the moment I can't take it out. I already put it, but I can't take it out because, you know, I need to read it on to change it. So very, very, very good, guys. So anyway, thank you for what is called, and I'll let you know if at the moment the color what is called is this belong to my daughter-in-law. Yeah, so because he got already one like that, I buy different, so you can, you know, I can use her and she can use mine as well compared to each other, something like that. So it's a very good, guys, and I'll let you know if you can see if it's very nice product. So it's not bad. The price is a 44 pounds for this everything. Yeah. So thank you, guys, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell over there so you can do and watch all my new videos. Okay, guys, thank you. Bye for now.